Hello guys, today we are going to see the period of a simple pendulum, and in addition to that we are going to touch also the frequency of a simple pendulum because the two go together. So a simple pendulum, you have to know that it undergoes simple harmonic motion. So the period of this simple pendulum, you can see the length of the thread here and the angle in gravitation, acceleration due to gravity. T equals to 2 pi, that's the angle, the square root of L on G. And you have to note where L equals to length of the rope and G equals to acceleration due to gravity. And I guess you know the value of the acceleration due to gravity. In our class, they gave us as 10 meters per second square, and some people use it as 9.8 meters per second square. So you can use 10 meters per second square or 9.8 meters per second square. Depending on your teacher, on your course delegates, you use it. So, after calculating the period of a simple pendulum, we have to calculate now the frequency. And you know the frequency is 1 over period. Frequency equals to 1 all over period. And 1 over period, if you do 1 over this, we have frequency will be equal to 1 all over 2 pi, the square root of G on L. As simple as it. So that was all about the period and frequency of a simple pendulum undergoing simple harmonic motion. And we encourage you to visit our forum and ask you questions about this topic, and visit our website also. Thank you for watching, and it was the man behind the camera and Joris Jeffak presenting. Yeah.